Well, there's electronics and then all the medical cannabis products.
And marijuana is illegal federally. So I
Well,
can't
they-
give that back.
Okay, but they have no legal standing to take anything without a warrant, you see what I'm saying? Everything must be given back, non-pro-tunc ab initio.
So if you had child porn, should I give that back?
Okay, I'll just add it to the federal complaint, sorry.
Well, no, you said everything must be given back. If it's,
Well, yeah.
if it's federally illegal, should I give it back?
What, you had no standing to have it in the building
We had,
whatsoever.
it had a search warrant,
No, you don't, the search warrant was unconstitutional, that's why I was going to federal court.
which is fine. If you want to debate that, I'm not gonna do this, but.
Yeah, that's fine, but you don't have a standing to hold any of the property from the warrant, legally.
Let me know when you're done.
Yeah, I'm done with the electronics, that has,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah,
there's no, those that have to be released too.
yeah, I understand that. I get that. I
Okay.
have no problem with
Well,
that.
yeah, that's good, I'm just trying to figure out, cause everything.
Well, you want to debate the legal issue.
Do you want it now, or I mean, can they give
Well,
it to
when
you
you
now?
come-
My evidence guy will be here tomorrow.
Yeah,
I can't even get to the guns or anything.
yeah, that's fine, I
Okay.
figure when he comes back to get a.
He'll be here tomorrow morning.
Alright.
I don't even have keys to the evidence room. I can't get
Yeah.
into it.
Yeah, I didn't expect everything to be handed out right now, but. I'm
Well, if I
just
had him here,
making-
if I had him
You
here,
can let
I'm
him know
Yeah.
if it's okay with the guns, if I
gonna
take-
call you.
Yeah,
Oh, you're gonna call me, okay.
You're the guy. He
yeah,
can't.
you're the
All right.
trustee, you have legal.
That's why I got your number.
Yeah.
All right.
Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, well, I'm just, how it works, when the search warrant is quashed, you have no standing to keep anything from the warrant. It has to, that's where I'm filing my Title 42.
Okay, well, I'll get a federal agent to come down and arrest you then. How'd that be?
You can't arrest. For weed, it's legal in the state.
It's federally illegal.
No, it doesn't.
That's ridiculous. Why would we do that?
You work for the state of Michigan.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you're elected by the people of the
That's
state of Michigan.
nope, by Charlevoix County.
Well, then the county, they're part of the state of Michigan.
Yep,
So you work for the state of Michigan?
I do not.
And the state of
I
Michigan?
do not.
Okay,
I very clearly do not.
well, you're bound to.
If
the
you're a
laws of the
constitutionalist,
state.
which I think you're trying to be, which I appreciate and
Yeah,
support,
that's good to hear that.
100%.
Yeah.
But then you don't understand how it works. I do not work for the state of Michigan in any way, shape, or form. Not one little bit, not for half a second. Gretchen and I
Do you
are not
enforce-
friends.
Yeah.
We don't work together. She can't
Yeah.
tell me what to do. I don't follow her direction. It's not how it works.
Okay.
Am I clear on that?
Well, I'm just seeing what laws are you operating under then?
What laws do I operate under?
Yeah.
The Constitution.
Okay, well,
What laws do I enforce?
yeah, well.
State of Michigan, in Charlevoix County.
Yeah, and the weed.
Unless they're
cannabis-
unconstitutional.
Cannabis is legal in the state.
It's federally illegal, so I can't give it to you.
Yeah, okay.
That's against federal law.
Well, okay, well, it's under contract to be processed, so that's where it's on federal, it's protected under the federal contract book. So,
I literally had a phone call asking me
yeah,
to turn this over to them,
yeah,
so
all right.
I can do that.
Well, they don't have a legal standing anyways, because the warrant's quashed. They have, all the evidence is null and void in any court of law. It has been dismissed.
That's not true. It was taken legally. There was a search warrant.
But the warrant was unconstitutional.
Agreed. Or
Yeah.
I don't know what, I say I agree. I don't know that I agree. I agree that it doesn't exist anymore.
Yeah.
But it wasn't taken illegally. You're misrepresenting what happened.
Yeah.
It
Well,
was
that's
taken
a-
legally. The search warrant was authorized by the court.
Yeah, now,
Not really.
It was never.
It was illegal.
Judge,
No,
the judge that
It was
signed it had no
stamped to
legal
begin with, it
standing.
wasn't even signed.
Oh, dear God. Okay.
So,
It goes back, there's a lot
you know,
of.
there are certain things that they have to do to get a warrant, to make it legal. It's a null and void warrant.
That's what, that's
And
why I'm
everything
going
taken
under-
Not
was-
according to the court.
Fruits
Yeah,
and
that's
poison.
why I'm going to the real court, the federal court, a court of
I'm
remedy.
surprised you like federal court.
Well, do you have remedy in federal court? Yeah, that's what Title 42 is, when they violate Title 18, United States Code.
USC.
Yeah.
1983.
I read that
That's
warrant
42 USC 19.
knowing nothing. And I said, what's the crime?
Yeah.
There's no crime.
Well, yeah, they based, the actually serving the search.
Didn't this
warrant-
whole start with some letter you wrote to the jury or something?
No,
I
it
don't-
was just
I-
jury
No.
pamphlets,
Pamphlets
free
left on the
speech, First
table.
Amendment.
There
Jury
was no-
Hold on,
nullification.
relax.
Jury nullification pamphlets left on a table, which is protected under First Amendment free speech.
I just recall it being something with the jury. That's what I recall.
Well, that's what they were reaching for, trying to say it was jury tampering, obstruction of justice, but that's why.
What was the case in court at the time?
I don't know, some
We have
Kano
no
guy,
idea.
I don't even know.
Okay.
Yeah. That's where, yeah, they were reaching to even get a search warrant, which, when they executed the warrant, they violated the First Amendment. That's why it's gonna have to go federal for the rest.
Well, they'll resolve it then.
Yeah, we will. I'm just going through the administrative process locally, so when I go to federal court, I have all my ducks in a row to show them. I tried to work it out locally.
Sure.
Yeah. So
Okay.
I appreciate it, I'm David.
Yeah.
I seen you at the board of directors,
Yeah.
board of commissioners.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just read my piece and I didn't have any other business.
No, you were very
I
polite,
appreciate
you were
it.
very polite and respectful.
Well, yeah, I always try to stay in honor and,
Yep.
yeah.
You were polite and respectful at that meeting. I agree.
Yeah, I'm not mad at you guys, you're just enforcing what they tell you to do.
Kinda.
Well, sort of.
Not really, but kinda.
Well, I mean, Bird was,
Well, the court authorized him,
yeah,
that's a fact.
yeah.
Now, we can argue whether that was.
Oh, yeah, that's for a different jurisdiction to argue that.
I agree.
Yeah.
You guys have-
Okay,
you guys have-
I don't want to argue in circles.
Nope, nope, sounds good.
I appreciate it.